I've got very qualified teachers. They all have lots of experience in industry. We do make up programs of study to meet those requirements. Those requirements change every year, and they change because industry tells us exactly what they want. Now that means in something like 2 years, you can have a qualification that's recognised by Engineers Australia, it's recognised by the universities, and it's recognised by industry.
I think here at Sydney TAFE, we've really got the right fit for the student. They are able to choose from online learning and face-to-face learning. They can come part-time, they can come full-time. They have ample opportunity to get advanced standing on subjects that they may have done in other courses. We really try and give them an absolutely rounded education for the workforce.
Sydney TAFE, I'm able to do one night and 2 afternoons, so it splits my time up quite evenly, which gives me plenty of time to concentrate on other things that are going on in my life.
Well, our classes are typically 15 students in size. You compare that with any university. And what that means is you'll have a much more intimate experience. You'll actually get to know the people that are teaching you and your other students.
We have a really clever way of monitoring and responding to industry, where people are able to actually get a dual qualification. So they get an embedded certification, like the Cisco certification with an electronics course. So they're coming out with a much more flexible range of skills, where we're moving also towards things like embedding project management within a general electrical engineering diploma. So we're always on top of what industry needs.
Well, Sydney TAFE Ultimo does practice a competency-based training in all the classes. What this means for the student is they've got a smaller chance of failing any given unit. Now the reason is simple. Given the smaller size of classes, they get feedback from teachers so that long before they do a test, they've already got the information that something needs to be done.
The best thing about studying at Sydney TAFE Ultimo for me first is a teaching method that is really personalized, and also they are going to use really up-to-date resources. The second thing is to get more chances to get international jobs. And the third thing is the flexibility of the timetable.
I just love coming to work of a morning. I've been an engineer most of my working life, and I've spent almost 20 years educating people. And I can tell you the amount of satisfaction that we get from showing people the avenues open to them in engineering.
I've been an educator for 26 years, and I've got to say that to this very day, I just love seeing students be transformed through the journey of a classroom, of a course. They are able to walk out and they have gone from knowing very little about a particular thing to actually getting their head around it and performing tasks, experiences, etc. in the workforce. So for me, that's a great satisfaction.